Greetings, Mill Creek families. I just want to welcome you and take you on a tour of our temporary office located on Sunset Drive. We are so excited to begin serving you out of this space. Please feel free to stop by to have any of your questions answered. We can take enrollment paperwork here on site. And if you happen to catch that clear box on the front counter, very soon we are going to start taking suggestions and voting on our school mascot. There's so many great things in store. It's so exciting. We can't wait to see you, and take care.